of all, thank you, Lord, for giving us another day to live, another day, another opportunity. Yun lang. Of course, credit to the players. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, Ben, talagang we try to find guys that can fill up the shoes for Holy. We have a hard time to score, especially on our last game. We need somebody to step up in terms of not only on points but the little things, doing the little things. And this guy, Xavier, he is an impact in the game. Also, Peter Alparo, he deserves also to be the best player because, you know, he's coming from that reserve, but he has the heart of a lion because he is a San Beda. So that's why siguro malaking factor yun because he's a member of a champion team. And of course, Mark Baroka, the veteran, I told Mark before the game na kailangan ko siya to step up. And the steadiness of our veteran, Ian Sangalang, Rom De La Rosa, and Calvin Aguero. But it's an overall, it's a team effort because before we prepare for this game, talagang kinausap ko sila and we're do or die situation. So we cannot afford to lose and then soba namang mag-ensayo kami in the next 10 days tapos wala na kaming chance. So at least now we're looking forward for another day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Coach Chito. Now, Zave, on to you. Congratulations as well. Can you just walk us through the difficult task of defending Donovan Smith and how much that just took from you and took you out, how that took you out of your comfort zone in different ways as well?
I don't think it really took me out of my comfort zone. You know, my focus when I'm guarding somebody big like that is I gotta, they're gonna try to take me to the post because, as you can see, he didn't really do anything on the outside against me, but it was in the post. So trying to fight because obviously he's stronger and bigger than me. So doing my work early, trying to deny him from getting the ball, and then obviously a lot of it came down to the help. As you see, like I fronted him and they threw it over the top and Calvin got that steal. So just being able to trust my teammates to have my back.
Thank you so much, Zave. At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations. Coach nga sila mo si Peter Alparo deserves all his flowers also. Coach, ano bang nakita mo dito this game na si Peter Alparo can step up and get the crucial for you guys?
Actually, his toughness. I'm very impressed with Peter, the way he defends in practice, the way he handles himself. The score or the points, I think bonus na lang yun eh. But yung toughness ni Peter on both ends of the floor, I think yung kanyang depensa, same time yung offense niya, hindi siya natatakot. I think yun yung nakita ko sa kanya na we can rely on him on this kind of situation, which is our backs against the wall.
It's at 4-6 with 2 games left. Medyo control yung sitwasyon nyo and play 2 top teams in Eastern and Ralco.
Yeah, the only that we can control is our game. So we cannot control the games of other teams. So we just need to take care of the games that we need to play. So we need to prepare hard for Eastern on the 26th. So we have a lot of time to prepare for this game. But please, yung kung ano man yung chance na natitira sa amin, we will grab it and then we will try to prepare the way that we prepare for this game. So yun lang siguro, yung mga hindi namin kontrolado, hindi na namin, kumbaga hindi na namin sakop yun.
Coach, unlike in past games, na-sustain nyo yung big lead niyo. So anong nangyari yung iba na kaya nyo na i-maintain yun? And ano ba yung mga kailangan gawin para makip nyo yung, ma-close out nyo yung mga games?
Actually, the fourth quarter, yun ang sinabi ko sa kanila. We have to learn from our experience. I mean, we're having this kind of situation before a lot. actually lot of games, but because of the breaks of the game, because of the way we execute, so medyo nawawala sa amin yung panalo. But this time we're having that the execution that we want, the defense that we want down the stretch. So yun, I think it helped us a lot. The experience that and the lesson siguro malaking bagay para sa amin.
Coach, I have one more follow-up question. So Coach, Sir Fidel, nabulungan tayo kanina, this is your 19th conference with Magnolia. The past 18, you always make it to the playoffs. Where's the level of pressure for you right now?
The same. It's the same, but credit also to the players because totoo ba yun, Fidel? I don't know.
Nabulungan ako, Coach.
Yeah, lalo mo akong pinwessure. So, but we will prepare hard. I don't know, but sabi ko nga kanina, kung ano man yung chance na nandito sa amin, i-grab lang namin. Hindi ko man tinitingnan yung mga bagay na yun. Basta importante sa amin ngayon, paano kami makakasurvive on this next 2 years.
Alright. Congrats, Coach.
Thank you.